The next divine name is Al-Fattah, which means the opener. It can mean that Allah, the Exalted, is the only one who opens the treasure stores of mercy for the creation, especially in the time of distress. The one who understands this divine name will only ever seek relief from Allah, the Exalted, knowing He alone can grant this from His infinite treasury. The only way to obtain this is through sincere obedience in the form of fulfilling the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience. Chapter 65 at Talaq, verse 2.
And whoever fears Allah, He will make for him a way out.
It is simply foolish to disobey Allah, the Exalted, and then expect Him to provide an opening through a difficult situation. A Muslim should act on this divine name by providing ease and openings for those who are facing distress according to the means they possess, such as emotional, physical, and financial support. The one who is busy in helping others for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, in this manner, will receive the constant support of Allah, the Exalted. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6853. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts, and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.